Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to upload HD videos on TikTok. First of all, you need to open your TikTok app. Then you need to tap on this icon in the bottom. Then you can select your video you want to upload. Next, you need to click on this next button in here. Now you can find this more option in here. So tap on it. Then you need to allow this high quality upload option. Then you can upload HD videos on TikTok. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.